Hello, I'm Jason, I'm the director of Seasoned Cookshop, and today we're going to show you just how simple it is to make your seasoned stainless steel tri-ply frying pan non-stick. Okay, so all you need to do is preheat low to medium, and give it 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, turn up the heat just a little. You don't need a high heat, you want a medium heat. Once you've turned the heat up, about another 30 seconds for the pan to get to full heat. This is a seasoned stainless steel tri-ply pan, so they're particularly efficient at heating. With a lot of pans, they may be less efficient, so you may want to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. How do you know if it's the right heat? Well, you just get a few drops of water. For science nerds, this is called the Leidenfrost effect, which is basically where the water, when it hits the pan, turns into little droplets and floats above the pan. And voila. That's what we're looking for. That's great. It's just floating around the surface. Once you're there, empty that out. Because if you don't empty the water out, your oil is going to go crazy when you add it to the pan. Add your oil, about a teaspoon for a fried egg. Give it a little swirl, and then add your egg. Add a bit of seasoning. I would turn your heat down at this stage because you've got a lot of residual heat in the pan, and the lower heat will just let the egg cook through nicely. And now, look at that. That is one non-stick stainless steel pan. And it's just a question of cooking at the right temperature.